Today for supper is fresh collard greens out of the garden. I washed them, put bacon grease, salt and pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. And we're boiling them about 20 to 30 minutes. Fresh collard greens. In an Instant Pot today, we've got fresh green beans. We've got chicken broth, salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and bacon grease. And we're letting it saute for 30 minutes. And then we're going to put the lid on it and let it cook for an hour. We're just sauteing them like this just to get all the flavor in the beans. And we're going to add a can of northern beans to it. This is fresh green beans. We got fresh taters from the garden. And they've just got water and salt. That's it. And we're microwaving them for 20 minutes. Then we're going to let them cool off, put them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Then when everything's done, we're going to take them out, smash them up, put butter and milk. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. You can push the like and subscribe button if you ain't already. And thanks for watching all my videos. And I appreciate every one of y'all. And I wouldn't have a channel if it wasn't for people like you. Please watch the videos all the way through where I get credit for them. And leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. They're sauteing good, ain't they, in the Instant Pot? Do you know also, if you didn't want to cook them right now, you could put them on the slow cooker on this and press the slow cooker button and it'll slow cook for as long as you want, 6 to 8 hours. Or 4 to 6 hours, whatever you want to do. Here's what we are going to put in the beans after they are getting done. We put 7 cups of broth in here. Chicken broth. 7 cups. Just enough to cover the beans. That was it. Now to go along with this, you can make a fresh pot of cornbread. Eat you some good old garden onions. Some fresh garden tomatoes. And you have one good meal. You can also add fresh bacon and some fresh pork chops or whatever to go with this meal. But this is going to be our meal without any meat. So you do what you need to do, but this is how we're going to eat it today with no meat.